man. What a beautiful Friday afternoon. Been a really nice day today. Sprinkled a little bit this morning. Cooled things off a little bit. A little bit of humidity rolled in, but it's been nice since then. It's off work today. So all day I've been thinking it was Saturday, but it turns out it's still Friday. And a beautiful Friday at that. Got some golfers out on the course today. I get some more rain. It's dark clouds over that way. Wouldn't be mad about it. Not at all. So yeah, just enjoying the Friday. Hanging out. Drinking a Maui Brewing limited release Daha Life lager. Oh man. But yeah, just trying to figure out what to do this weekend. We haven't been to the beach in probably 3 weeks now. Yeah, I think last time I went to the beach was when our friends were out here at the end of May. So yeah, it's been about 3 weeks. About 2 weeks ago when we were at the pool, I got a little too much sun. So I've been peeling, but I think that's mostly done with. So maybe this weekend we can hit up the beach or something. Get out of the house, do something. We really haven't gone out and explored too many beaches. Been here 7, 8 months now. Just pretty much go to the same beach, close to the house. I mean, beach, water, all the same, right? But been wanting to get out and go to the beach that me and my wife got married on. Go up there, check it out, take the kids there. I think that'd be kind of cool. So maybe we'll do that this weekend. I don't know. Kind of also feeling lazy. I just worked like 11 days straight. 8 of those days were 12-hour days. You factor in my commute time and everything, so it was more like 13, 14-hour days. So yeah, I definitely needed today to just hang out and chill, and that's exactly what I've done. Got up, took the kids to school this morning. Been hanging out since. Went and picked them up. That's about it. Now drinking a cold beer. Hopefully my wife picks me up some medicine at Target. I've had this cough for about 2 weeks now. Just drainage and whatnot. Started off taking some Sudafed. That didn't really do anything. Took a few days off of nothing. Did Mucinex for a little bit. That still didn't do anything. So now I've not taken anything for about another 3 days and still just got this daggum cough. So I'm gonna try some Theraflu next and see if that does the trick. So hopefully that'll clear me up. If not, the locals told me I need to go swim in the ocean. Salt water clears up everything. So maybe that's probably what it is, since I haven't been in the ocean lately. Seems good enough for me. It's what I probably should do. But yeah. Other than that, I don't really know what else to get into this weekend. Hopefully it's a nice one. I don't think it's supposed to rain or anything really this weekend. And even if it did, usually probably just do it in the morning and be done with it. It's kind of usually how it works. I don't know if this is picking up. There's like little gnats. They're like little clusters. I don't know, here lately, last few days I've been seeing them. It's kind of weird. Usually haven't really seen anything like that, but you know, there's, I don't know if the camera will pick them up or not. The other day coming out of work, I walked into a group of them. It's like, dang, what the hell? Man, So this is my Cabela's branded Camp Chef pellet smoker. And this was glass. And I was cleaning it or doing something and the lid slammed and it broke. So I just went to Lowe's and picked up a piece of sheet metal and put it in there. Should clean it up, paint it or something, but it works. Smokes food just fine. That's all I need it to do. It ain't gotta look pretty. Glad it's not too hot out here. Last few days it's just been brutal. I've actually been thinking about picking up some misters, those little mister things, and putting out here. When we lived in Arizona, I had one, and it definitely helped a lot. Only problem was, I mean, they kind of go to crap and they leak. Those little brass nozzles get plugged up and everything. I think with the hard water and stuff. I've kind of looked into like building my own little system, but even those still seems like you fall back on those brass nozzles and it still eventually fails. So I don't know. We'll see. Might do it at some point. Get bored one day. Pick it up, give it a shot. But yeah. I hope y'all get out and do something. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the summer wherever you're at. Keep forgetting that it's summer. Like, my kids are doing like a summer school program. It's only like 7:30 to 11:30. But between that and just living in Hawaii where your season doesn't really change, I just kind of, I don't know, something. I just keep forgetting that it is summer. But yeah. Hopefully we'll get out and do something fun, and hopefully y'all get out and do something fun as well. But I'm gonna enjoy my Daha Life lager from Maui Brewing and just hang out for the rest of the day. Try not to do too much.